Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing another unboxing. So today we are doing the Easy Bake Oven Ultimate Oven. So I got this at Target. It was there we go, $53.99. So we are going to unbox it. So the first thing I pulled out was Easy Bake chocolate chip cookie mix. It's horrible focus. The next thing, cardboard. There we go. Let's cut it a little better. We have the Easy Bake supervision, require electronic unplug when not in use. Steps of how to use it. I assume that's what that is. And I think this is the front version. Perfect. And then you have your cooking pan. Cooking pans should be held and washed with towel. Dried only. Cupcake pan not included. Cupcake pan not included. Ah. Upsetting. Alright. We are getting there. So there is the actual oven. Okay, so it comes with the oven, the little pan scooper thingy, the pan, and one mix. So you have to buy a mix separately. Awesome.